Today, I will be discussing coral reefs and the effect that global warming has had on them. Over the past several years, there have been widespread coral bleaching on Australia's Great Barrier Reef and the reefs in the Pacific Ocean and Caribbean Sea. But now scientists have discovered that this coral bleaching and coral death has also reached the Chagos Islands. They have seen coral mortality in the region of 90%. This area was the largest marine protected area. There is little human influence like fishing or construction, but even with no human influence, they have still had big bleaching events. Scientists believe that the reefs have suffered back-to-back bleaching events. These occurred during 2015 and 2016. The cause for these bleachings seems to be unusually warm weather conditions and severe El Niño effects in 2015. Both these causes are brought on by climate changes from global warming. Bleaching does not mean that the coral reefs will necessarily die, but it does put them at a high risk of catching a disease. This is not the first time that a bleaching effect has occurred in the Chagos Islands. In 1997 and 1998, the effects of El Niño caused a very severe one that the reefs did not recover from until 2012. So there is hopes of the reefs recovering. But if these climate conditions last long enough, it will not give them time to recover, and the coral reefs will begin to die. But why should we care about this particular reef? Coral reefs are very important. They provide shelter to all kinds of fish. They control the amount of carbon dioxide in the ocean, and they protect the coast from strong currents and waves. In this case, the reason that we care about the most is the third reason. With the rising sea levels and the coral mortality, erosion will begin to exceed growth, and the 60 small islands in the Indian Ocean will begin to shrink. We don't want to lose any of our natural habitats, especially beautiful islands like the Chagos Islands shown in this picture.